I'm a resident.
Right.
I just graduated as a law enforcement officer and currently working as a correction officer. For me to be able to apply to be a police officer, I have to become a citizen first. I have few arrests on my record, but all my cases was dismissed. So I was worrying if that will apply my citizenship because I've already applied. It's been close to going to 4 months now.
You said you have a case on your record and all of your cases have been dismissed. So you have more than one case or you have multiple cases?
I think it's more than one case.
All right, so
it's like 3 cases.
Okay, I don't know whether you'll be a citizen or not because if you have 3 arrests, that could impact your good moral character.
Okay, so even though it's been more than 5 years?
Well, I don't know. I don't know anything about your cases. I would have to know when you got arrested, why you got arrested, what the underlying charges were, and what you ended up pleading guilty to. That would really be like a full investigation because I can't tell you by you telling me I've been arrested 3 times whether or not you're going to pass a good moral character interview for your citizenship. It would be impossible. It affects your good moral character. It absolutely does. If they were all dismissed, you are not a deportable alien. You get to keep your green card. Whether or not you become a citizen depends on the facts of each of those particular cases. Fact is, usually when you say, okay, I got arrested once, you can chalk it up to I had a bad day. Well, you have 3 arrests. Good for you that they happened more than 5 years ago because they can only go back 5 years unless there's something within this past 5 years that would indicate that you're not a person of good moral character. Not knowing anything about these arrests, assuming they weren't like major drug trafficking, terrorist type of arrests, if it's more than 5 years ago and you have a clean record and no indication that there's any nexus between what you've done in the last 5 years and these arrests that happened 8, 9, 10, 15 years ago, then yes, I would say you're going to become a citizen. How long? I don't know. Again, I don't know what you were arrested for. I don't know the underlying charges, the facts of the case. All of that's going to be determined when they decide at your interview whether you have good moral character.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
But if you need help, then hold on.